basically, just to get it out the way in case anybody's trying to watch this video just to see like what exactly I pay, because a lot of people are nosy. I pay $1,200 a month roughly for this car, to drive this car. Yeah, it sounds kind of rough, but once you break it down, it's not actually that bad in this spectrum, actually, with how pricing for 2022 is becoming and everything else like that. We're focused on what's inside of this folder today, and this is, a lot of people like didn't believe like that I bought this car. A lot of people thought it was like parents' money or something, and I would like to start by saying, like, in no way is this a pity thing, and please do not feel sorry about it if you do. I don't have parents. I have not had parents for, yeah, no parents. I don't have family here or anything like that. It's just me. In order to afford this car, it's actually not that unrealistic of a car either. Like, that's why I don't get why so many people are sitting there saying, oh, he can't afford this, he can't do this, he can't do that. The amount that I financed for the car. So I financed $42,000 for this car. I did a 72-month term. So this is a 6-year loan for this car. I got a 3.7% interest, which is really high. But basically the reason that it's 3.7%, I have a 750 plus credit score. So once you're in that range, you don't really get interest charges and everything like that. That's another thing. In order to afford a car like this, I strongly suggest getting your credit situated at first, because without this kind of credit, this car would have been very fun to afford. I would have been paying like 10% interest on this car right about now. But thankfully, I have great credit. But sadly, it's an older car. They added more of a percentage rate for the car, being that it's 2013. Basically, the older the car, it goes inside of percentage, like tax brackets and whatnot and stuff like that, when going through and getting a loan for the car. So for all of you wondering, I basically pay... let's do the math real quick. $660 a month plus $200. That is basically payment plus insurance, so $860 plus gas currently is $85 to fill up. And if you're doing this once a week, I pay $1,200 a month for this. For a GT500, 2013 GT500 with the Trinity motor and the TR6060. So in actuality, I know to some people that's going to sound like absolutely absurd and absolutely crazy. I'm thankful to even be in this position to be able to afford like a car like this, you know. I started off at a V6 Mustang, and I've just worked my way up throughout like a couple of years, I'd say. And I'm just really thankful. Just so you guys can see the actual numbers, this is, the percentage rate is 3.7. That's the finance charge for blah blah blah. Like, after everything's said and done, I'm planning to pay the car off way early, so I won't have to worry about that number right there. That's the amount I've financed. That's the total payments I've paid when like everything's said and done. Yeah, that's kind of all there is to it, but it's worth it. It's worth it, guys. I swear it's worth it. Oh, I have more videos coming soon, man. If you guys can't tell, I have this N-Gage now sitting up here, and it looks amazing. It's from my Yellow Blaze. If any of you remember my Yellow Blaze, the guy was cool enough to give me the N-Gage back out of the car. As you know, these are discontinued, so I was really happy to get that back out of the Yellow Blaze. That basically like boils down the video right there, man. I'm glad I was able to break this down for you guys. If you are looking to get a car like this, just go ahead and do it, dude. The way I view things is you only live once, you only get to do things once in a lifetime. Yes, I went to an older body style, but to me, this car absolutely is 20 times better than my other car. I actually moved to Texas in a couple months, so I'm really hoping to blow up with this, and I can meet people down there and everything, you know what I mean? Hopefully I'll have a good little like following. We can go ahead and like meet hella people, get invited to a bunch of like 1320 things, man. I'm really looking forward to this Texas time. I think it'll be a great time ahead of us. If you're buying this car, the way I view it, don't save a man, don't save a car for another man. Is it your car, or is it like, you know what I mean? Like, are you gonna save your wife for the next dude? Are you gonna save your girlfriend for the next dude? You're gonna, you know, why are you saving a car for the next dude? Drive your car. You're paying this price for that, yeah, drive your car. Feel free to subscribe, man. We're going up. We got 300 subs, so I want to say thank you for that as well, by the way. We were at 128 a couple days ago, and now we're at 300. So I just want to say thank you for that, guys. But even knowing everything this car cost me, I wouldn't change it for the world. I'm trying to get somewhere with this car. This car is going to take me everywhere that I want to be. Thanks for watching another video, guys. If you guys are interested in more content, go ahead and comment what you want to see. Talk to me, let me know. But for this video, man, I'm gonna end it here. $1,200 a month. If anybody's interested in buying one of these, go buy it. I highly recommend it, man. But thanks for watching, guys. Till next time.